Hello there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Basically in this video I just want to talk about Studio One Professional. This is Studio One 5.3.0 Professional. Yeah, I purchased this a week ago and I only started using it like today. So basically it's a learning process. We're going to learn together as we go on. But the first time I opened Studio One, it kind of looked like it was Cubase, an advanced version of Cubase. I don't know. Yeah, they somehow look alike. So I did not even waste time creating things and doing what. The only thing that I'm still failing to do is how to create beats in here. Yeah, I failed to create a beat in here. Let me just show you how to do certain things in here. New project. We open new project. Project title. Let me just, yeah, new song. Empty. You can choose the style that you want from here: vocal recording, vocal and guitar, singer or songwriter, rock band, podcast production, piano, ballad, multi-track recording, mixed range, instrument set, house or techno, bundle recording. So I'm just going to pick an empty project. I'm just going to name it what the fuck. Put some settings there, BPM. Let's just leave it like that. We can always change this afterwards. Yeah, and we are in. So we are in here. If you want to put an instrument there, just come here and choose your instrument, the one you want to use. But in this video I just want to show you how to record, basically how to record vocals, literally just that. So let me just find a beat I can use. So this beat is 98 beats per minute. Let me change that here to 98. It's a melodic Afrobeat. Melody time. Yeah, after we do that, oh, what the fuck? We can close this tab using this button. You can open it again using the same button. This is where you access the mixing. This is where you access the audio editing and everything. Yeah, basically those are the basics. You know, I just like the way this plugin, no, not plugin, I like the way this music production tool is. It's amazing. The quality I receive or I get from the vocal recording from just the one track that I did today, it was amazing. That's one of the reasons why I decided to create a YouTube tutorial or video about it. You know, this software is dope, like seriously. Please purchase it. You're going to love your investment. Alright, so how do you add tracks in here? Basically, you just press that button there, add tracks, you name it, hook, whatever. You choose how many you want. I'm just going to pick one. The color, for us who like colorful projects, I'm just going to name this one verse. Oh, let me just leave it as a hook. Yeah, as a hook. You can even choose the preset that you want. For male vocal, let me look for male vocal. Vocals. Let me go for male vocal. Male vocal. Alright. And we are in. So if you want to record, just press this button. You can turn that off, then click here. Freedom fighter. I just wanna be a freedom fighter. I just wanna be a freedom fighter. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends so that they can learn a thing or two. Yeah, we have a freestyle there. Yeah, so this is how I sound. It's pathetic. Yeah, so I'm not using a condenser mic to record the vocals. I'm using a lapel. Yeah, between the two names, but I think it's a lapel mic. So that's why you are hearing a lot of noise, and I'm not even in a treated room, so yeah, you can forgive me for that, guys. Let's start editing the vocal. We can first normalize it, then we can start cutting the noise with these tools here. This is used for erasing. What does that do? This is the paint tool, the mute, the bend tool, the listen tool, the audio bend, sweep silence, quantize, color tuber, micros arrangement. So we're not going to go into depth analyzing and talking about these buttons. I'm sure we all know what they do, even if you're new to this, but you know what that button does. But we are going to talk about the buttons in the future, but not in this video. This one is just an intro. So this is how we use the buttons. We take the rubber, the rubber, and rub that. There's scissors or the cut tool, rubber, cut that one out. Again, the cut tool. This is essential. Like, this software is very easy to use, very easy. I've only been using it for 1 day, let me just say 2 days, but I'm already using it like a professional. Oh, bounce selection, that's Control B. Yeah. Freedom fighter. I just wanna be a freedom fighter. I just wanna be a freedom fighter. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends so that they can learn a thing or two. Yeah, the room I'm using to record do the tutorial in is noisy. It has its own natural reverb, and the reverb is just too much. Like, I've not even put reverb here. But you can already hear the reverb. Man, I'm gonna tell Granny to fix this house, man. Anyway, that's all for the video. I just wanted to show you how to import beats in Studio One 5, how to record, how to do some basic things in Studio. This is just an introduction. I'm not going to be too crazy for that matter. This is just an introduction. Alright, please subscribe, like and share the video with your friends. I really appreciate that.